Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss 10th class mathematics chapter trigonometry module 4. In this module you will be able to understand how to find the values of all t ratios, that is all 6 t ratios at the angle of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45, 60 degree and 90 degree. It is very useful in your exercise 8.2 and application of trigonometry in chapter 9. This is required. So today we are going to discuss how you can get these values very easily. You see how many t ratios are there, my child. There are 6 t ratios total. Here I am telling you, first of all you find only sine theta. Before finding this, I want that some basics you should know. First basic you should know, if there is 0 and 0 is divided by any number, for example if we divide by 4, then what will be the result will be there? 0. But if 4 is divided by 0, it means any number is divided by 0, then it is not defined. And not defined, we cannot find the value when we divide any 5 divided by 0, 6 divided by 0, anything is divided by 0, then it is not defined. Another is, what is the value of root of 1? It is 1. What is value of root of 4, square root of 4? That is 2. If there is root of 3 upon 4, it means this square root is on numerator also and denominator also. This is the meaning of this is root 3 upon root 4. You are not able to find out this root 3, then it is as it is root 3. And what is the root of 4? It is 2. So these are some basics which you should know to understand how to write this values of all t ratios of at angle theta when 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Dear students, first of all I have written only one t ratio, that is sine theta. If you know this only, then you are able to do this all 6 t ratios. Today I am going to tell you how you can make this table very easily. In sine theta, first of all you just write only sine theta. Sine theta, you write your numbering from starting from 0. You write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again I am repeating. You write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then divide each by 4. Divide by 4. Again I am repeating the same line. What is this? You write only one t ratio, that is sine theta. And I am telling you that if you know sine theta, then you are able to get all other 5 t ratios values at angle these 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. As I told, these are the some basics we will use in this, and how you can get the value of this sine theta. It is very easy method. How you can start from here 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4 and divide by 4 each. Some students they commit mistake also. They write 45 here, 30 here. No, it should be written here. First of all 0, then 30, then 45, then 60 and 90. Means ascending order of this angles. Now you put root, square root of all these. Now I think you understood this. Now it will be used here. Again I am repeating. You will start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then divide each term by 4 and then square root. I told you 0 divided by something, 0, and root of 0 is 0. This value is 0. Root of 1 by 4 means we have to find out square root of 1 and square root of 4. Square root of 1, that is 1, and square root of 4, that is 2. And what is this, my child? This is numerator 2, this is divided, this is 4. We cancel it, this is 1, this is 2. And this, what is the square root of 1? It is 1. What is the square root of 2? This is remain root 2 as it is. Now, this is root 3 by 4. Again, root of 3 is remaining only root 3. Root of 4, that is 2. 4 cancel out, this root of 1 is 1. This is the value of sine theta at 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. This 0, 1 by, this is a very easy way that you are able to find this sine theta. Dear students, I am telling you, if you know only this sine theta, then you can do all these t ratios. I am going to write all t ratios. Again I am repeating, first of all you write this theta 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Then write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then divide by 4 and take square root of this. And then solve it. Cancel 0 divided by 4, it is 0, and square root of 0 is always 0. 1 by 4. Root of 1 is 1. Root of 4 is 2. 2 by 4. First cancel, simplify it. 1. Divide by 2 divide 4 is divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are. Then root of 1 is 1 and root of 2 is root 2. Root 3 by 4. This is root 3 is remaining, root 3, 4 is 2, and 4 divided by 1, that is 1. You know what is the name of next t ratio? That is cosine. Cosine means complementary, or short form we can say cos theta. Where it is written co means complementary. It means we will start, we can write these values from this side. Here you see, as the theta is increasing, the value is also increasing in sine theta. In cos theta, as the value is increasing, that this theta is increasing, then value is decreasing. You see, my child, cos theta means complementary of sine theta. Then what is this? We will start from this back side. You write direct values. It is 1. Very good. Then it is root 3 by 2. This is 1 by root 2. This is 1 by 2. And write this 0 here. I think you understood this now. You got only value of sine theta. As I told, you understood this. And cos theta, co is there. Co means complementary angle. Means 0 degree sine theta equal to cos 90 degree to the complementary angle. This is, so we start from here 1, then root 3 by 2. It is 1 by root 2. It is 1 by 2. It is 0. We got these two values. And you all know, with these two values we are able to find out this tan theta. Dear students, you know tan theta equal to sine theta upon cos theta. I told you in module 3. This tan theta equal to sine theta upon cos theta. It means if we divide this value by this, we will get the value tan theta. If 0 is divided by 1, this equal to 0. I told you, if 0 is divided by any number, it gives 0. Now, 1 by 2 is divided by root 3 by 2. You see, my child, 1 by 2 is divided by root 3 by 2. What is this now? 1 by 2 into 2 divided by root 3. This cancel out. It is 1 by root 3. You know 1 by 2 as it is, then it will be reverse, and 2 is there and root 3. So here we can write 1 by root 3. What is this now? 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2. What will be there? 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2. If x is divided by x, 1. Same number is divided by the same number, it is 1. If you want to do this also, this will be inverse root 2 upon 1. This cancel out, it is 1. So here also we get the value 1. And root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. Root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. Again what will be there? Root 3 by 2 divided by 2. It will be reverse, 2 cancel. Then what we got? It is root 3. It is root 3. And this is what? 1 divided by 0. Any number is divisible by 0 that is not defined. We are not able to find out the value. You can write this is not defined. See my children, total t ratios were 6. We got the values of these three values of 3 t ratios. We got the value of sin theta only, first of all. Then we got cos theta value, cos values from writing from the back side of this. We get this cos theta. After dividing sin divided by cos, you know tan theta equal to sin theta upon cos theta. When we divide this, we got the value tan theta. Now, we are having 3 t ratios more. One is, you know, cosec theta or cosecant theta. Cosec theta is short form, cosecant become cosec. You know, my dear students, this cosec theta you all know cosec theta, this is very important. You all know, I told in previous module, cosec theta equal to 1 by sin theta. What is this, my dear? Means cosec theta is the inverse of sin theta. This is cosec theta. If we reverse this sin theta, we get the values of cosec theta. This is 0 divided by 1. And I told you 1 divide, if we reverse it, it is not defined. See, if there is 0, 0 can be written as 0 divided by 1. If reverse it, it becomes 1 by 0. That is not defined. This is 0. So this is, if 0 divided by 1, if we reverse it, it becomes not defined. 1 by 2, it becomes 2. 1 by root 2, reverse it, root 2. Root 3 by 2, then reverse is 2 by root 3. 1 is reversed, then it is become 1 only. So my dear students, we got another value of cosec theta. Then we have to find out sec theta. You see, sec, here sec and here cosec. Co is written here, and this is the complementary. From where it comes? You know this sec theta is also reverse of cos theta. You can say sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta. If we reverse this also, we can get this. And you can see, I told you this sine and cos, we can write from the back side. From here also, cosec theta we got it. If we want to get this sec theta, we can get it from back side. We can write directly 1. We can write, this can be written here 2 by root 3. This is root 2. This is 2. And this is not defined. See my children, only one is left. That is cot theta. And you know cot is from tan. Full name is cot is cotangent. It means co is written before this tan theta. So you can write from back side, or you know cot theta is 1 by tan theta. So we can get this value of cot theta by reversing this value, or you writing from here also. So you can write from here, you can write not defined, then root 3, then 1 by root 3 and 0. So these are the all t ratios, the value of all t ratios at angles 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. My dear students, you have seen here, if we are able to find out only one value of sine theta, then we are able to do all, we are able to get the all values of these t ratios at these angles. So here I told you how to get the sine theta. Then cos you can write from the back side here, because complementary angles are there, equal, they are equal. This you can write 1, this is root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. Tan theta, you all know, tan theta equal to is sin theta upon cos theta. If we divide sine value divided by cos theta, we get the value of tan theta. 0 is divided by 1, we get this. 1 by 2 divided root 3 by 2, we get this. Reverse it, same, root 3 and not defined. 1 is divided by 0. I told you, any number is divisible by 0. If you divide by any number by 0, then it is not defined. We are not able to do it. Cosec theta is the reverse of sine. What is this now? If we reverse it, 0 divided by 1, 1 divided by 0, that becomes not defined. 1 by 2, reverse, then 1 by root 2. Reverse of this 1 by root 2, we get root 2, then root 3 by 2, 2 by root 3, 1 reverse is 1, and there is sec theta. You can write from here, or you can reverse the cos theta. 1 is reverse is 1, root 3 by 2 by root 3, 1 by root 2, root 2, 1, 2, and 0 reverse, not defined. Or you can write from here, 1, 2 by root 3, root 2, 2 and not defined. Cot theta, you know this co word is here, co is written here, it is a cotangent, it is complementary of tan theta. You get the same values, you can write from here, or you can reverse this, you are able to get it. So my dear students, you are able to form this values of, to form this table of values of t ratios at different angles at 0, 30 degree, 45, 60 degree and 90 degree. It is very useful table, you should know this, and this will be utilized in this exercise 8.2 and in chapter 9 also. In next module we will discuss, in next module 5 we will discuss exercise 8.1. We will start basics has been completed. Thank you.